Package holiday versus self-build holiday. What's the best value? Hi, welcome to Dan Talks Money. Today I'm covering package holidays versus self-build and which ones can save you the most money. So you've got a bit more cash to spend enjoying yourself while you're away having a well-earned break. So I'm going to be comparing some package holidays from the likes of TUI, Virgin, maybe Love Holidays, and I'm going to just get some 3 different random places from each company, and then I'm going to take those details and I'm going to build the holiday myself. Now, from past experience, I always book separate. I used to go package, lovely, nice and easy, click, 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 that's what I want to go, boom, job done. But since then, I've been building it myself. So when I got married out in America, we had 20 odd nights out there. Starting in Las Vegas, finishing the honeymoon in San Francisco. So we used an independent airline. We flew Virgin. We booked our own car, so we got a rental from a rental car company, and we booked our own hotels. Now we did save a couple of thousand. I think we was quoted about 8-9 from Thomas Cook back, 4 years ago. I think by doing it ourselves, we slashed the cost of that by over £3,000. So that was £3,000 extra spending money that we had to do all the stuff that we wanted to do whilst we was in the United States of America. It was amazing. So I'm going to flip over now to my screen so we can have a live comparison of 3 package holidays versus the 3 self-built holidays. If you do like the video and you like the idea and you think, yeah, I got a little bit of time to sit and have a little look, then please give me a thumbs up and a subscribe. Thank you. Okay, so for illustration, I've used TUI to find the package holiday, and then I've used booking.com for hotels and Skyscanner to find some flights. So I have already pre-populated a package holiday on TUI, and they want to charge me $295 and 45p per person. So 2 of us go in, $590.89 in total. Head over to the self-bill page. You can see there's an array of flights available, one at £37. I'm going to pick the first one on there, which is £48, which is on my next page. So altogether, we're looking at $95.24 for the flights for 2 people. And then what we're going to do is we're going to have a look at the hotel. So I've already found the name that was listed on the web page. So just to show you, we go down, so just here we've got the Best Western Hotel Galicia, exactly the same on the right hand side of the screen. And for the same twin standard room, you're looking at £294. That's for the 2 of you. So we're going to take this, go into a calculator, £294 for the hotel. Back over to the flights, we are looking at $95.24. So we'll add $95.24 to the price, which gives us £389. TUI
wanted to charge me $590. So by my calculations, that's just over £200 saving. Oh my God. You can have so much fun. You customize. So if TUI's flight times are not okay for you, just have a little looky on Skyscanner. You can find a better flight time that suits your needs. And you can even customize your hotel room if you want. But for a saving it's over £200, that's amazing. Okay, so for this holiday, we're going to use Love Holidays. We're off to Tenerife to Playa de las Americas, and we're going to stay in Las Piramides. And the details for this, total price £601. London Stansted Airport to Tenerife. So as you can see on the right, I got Piramides hotel, £362. Exactly the same one. We're going to go over to the flights on Skyscanner. Cheapest we can get then is 182. So we're going to add that to the hotel price. 182 gives us a total of £544. Love Holidays want to charge me 601. So as you can see, that's a £57 saving. Get you a couple of cocktails in the bar. So there's some food for thought there. The biggest saving there was a self-build versus TUI versus the package holiday with Love Holidays. Okay, so now we're off to Las Vegas and we're gonna be staying at Luxor Hotel. So on our Virgin site on the left, they want to charge me $2,223.75 for the two of us. If I've headed over to booking.com to look at the hotels, exactly the same hotel, Luxor, exactly the same room. So your hotel on the left, it shows Pyramid to a Queen, Pyramid to a Queen, £713. So we're going to add that into the calculator, 713. Head back. We're going to check out the flights. So we're going to go to Skyscanner. So we got some flights here with American Airlines for £733 each. That's a total of 1465. So we'll add that to the calculator. 1465 gives me £2,178. That's for my self-build, where Virgin want to charge £2,223.75. So a self-build is going to save you overall £50. It's a smaller saving compared to the competitor site TUI, but it's still a saving. But on this occasion, I would probably be more inclined to just book it all through Virgin. Great reputable company, and I like them. But you need to weigh up the balances there.
So that's the comparison. As you can see, self-build all the way. You can save a lot of pound just by booking it yourself. There's no harm in doing it the easy way. So what I usually do is I'll have a little look around if I'm not sure where exactly to go, what hotels to book. Look on a package holiday site. Write down the details. So if you like the look of the hotel, if you like the flight times, just jot them down on your phone, bit of paper, whatever, and get yourself then on Flight Scanner, hotels.com, booking.com, and compare the price yourself. Now don't forget, if you are a loyal Tesco shopper, you can triple your points through Clubcard and exchange them for rewards with hotels.com. 3 times the value. Now if you've got a couple of pound there, that will be a few nights hotel stay that you can save on as well. Thanks again for watching Dan Talks Money, and enjoy your holiday.